Can you really control how people behave on your website? Absolutely, and top designers do it all the time. There are a few simple techniques that let you precisely guide users' eye, getting them to notice exactly what you want. And you can apply these methods today with just a few small tweaks to your website. Let's learn how. When we look at the screen, our eyes naturally follow certain paths, often called power lines in design. These are the intuitive routes we follow to process visual content quickly and efficiently. Users don't read web pages, they scan. On content-heavy websites, visitors tend to scan in an F shape. First across the top, then down the left side. If your website includes a lot of text and images, keep this pattern in mind when planning your layout. On image-heavy pages, users scan in a Z shape, top left to top right, then diagonally down to the bottom right. For best results, put key info up top and your call to action at the bottom. The next principle is Hick's law. It says that the more choices users have, the longer it takes them to make a decision. So make sure the primary action is unmistakably clear. Break content into digestible sections so the user processes one decision at a time. This way, there's no friction preventing users from engaging with your content and converting into potential clients. And finally, use progressive disclosure. Show details only when needed. Structure the layout so users naturally move from simple decisions to more complex ones. Similarly, prioritize one call to action to guide the user toward the next step to avoid choice overload. Then repeat it throughout your page. Sometimes the fastest way to grow as a designer is to build on top of layouts that are already structurally solid. With Tilda's library of over 500 pre-designed blocks, you can experiment, swap content, and study how spacing, composition, and typography come together to create truly well-crafted layouts. Try Tilda's personal plan for free for 3 months to unlock all features, tools, and domain connection. Use promo code GUIDE4DESIGN to get your premium plan. And the last but not the least thing that every layout needs to function properly is visual hierarchy. To get it right, start with typography. A clear text hierarchy improves scannability, allowing users to focus on the message, not the layout. Use consistent sizing steps like H1, H2, H3, and body text, so users instantly recognize what's most important on the page. Add generous white space around priority elements to give them visual weight and breathing room. Clean, predictable alignment helps users scan faster, so make sure you keep it consistent throughout your website. To check if your website guides attention effectively, apply a blur effect to the layout and step away for 20 minutes. When you get back, see if the key content still stands out in the right order. If it does, your design is working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to use the promo code to try Tilda in action for free.